Two-factor authentication, not working on PeerStreet App Fix. If you're having trouble with two-factor authentication on the PeerStreet app, don't worry, this issue is more common than you might think, and there's a quick way to fix it. The surprising truth is, most of the time it's not PeerStreet that's broken, it's just a simple sync or settings issue. Start by checking your phone's date and time settings. Two-factor codes depend on precise timing. Go to your settings, enable Set Automatically, and make sure your time zone is correct. Even being off by a few seconds can cause your code to fail. Next, check for updates to the PeerStreet app in your App Store or Google Play Store. Older versions can have security mismatches that break FA. Once updated, restart your device and try again. If you use an authenticator app like Google Authenticator or Authy, open it and select Sync Time for codes. This feature ensures your app and PeerStreet servers are aligned perfectly. If you're receiving codes by SIMs but are not coming through, turn off your VIN and switch to mobile data instead of Wi-Fi. Some VNAs and Wi-Fi networks block automated security texts from financial services. If you recently switched phones or deleted your authenticator app, tap Can't Access Two-Factor Authentication on the login screen. PeerStreet's team will verify your account and help you reset your security method safely. For persistent problems, uninstall and reinstall the app. This clears cached data that may interfere with authentication. Once your device time, app and connection are synced, your two-factor authentication should work perfectly again. Remember, FO is an essential defense for your PeerStreet investments, protecting your account from unauthorized access and keeping your financial data secure.